Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your Canara Bank account number, registered mobile number, and ATM/debit card. Once done, decide if you want temporary suspension or permanent deactivation, because the steps differ. Make sure you can receive OTPs on the registered number. Without OTP, you cannot proceed. Then log in to Canara Bank Net Banking or open the mobile app and navigate immediately to Profile or Services. Start the deactivation flow now to avoid intermediate steps that delay completion. You now follow the detailed execution. In Net Banking, go to Profile or Services, then Manage Access or Security Settings. Once there, select Deactivate Internet Banking or Suspend Access. Make sure you pick the correct account if multiple are linked. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile and carefully verify the confirmation screen, because this step finalizes access changes. If you're using branch mode, note that some requests require an in-branch signature. Make sure you complete any required physical forms. You finish by saving the confirmation reference and logging out. Check the effective time and test that internet banking access is disabled. If the action requires a branch visit, go with valid ID and the signed form to complete deactivation. Make sure any pending transactions or standing instructions are handled first, as these can prevent deactivation. Troubleshooting tip: if you do not receive OTPs, update your registered mobile at the branch or call customer service immediately to avoid delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.